In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Payoneer account to Etsy for your payouts in 2025. This process ensures that you receive your Etsy earnings directly into your Payoneer account. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step so you can do it effortlessly. First, let's log into your Etsy account. Head over to Etsy.com and sign in using your seller credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page for the Shop Manager button and click on it. This will take you into your seller dashboard, where you manage all aspects of your Etsy shop. Now on the left-hand menu, find the Finances section and select Payment Settings from the dropdown. With the payment settings open, it's time to add Payoneer as a payout method. Under the section titled How You'll Get Paid, look for an option that says Add Payout Method and click on it. You will be presented with different payout methods. Choose bank account here. This is where Payoneer plays a crucial role. For the next step, you'll need to enter the bank details provided by Payoneer. These details are part of Payoneer's global payment service and include several pieces of information: the bank name associated with your Payoneer account, your account number, and the routing number or SWIFT code. Keep in mind that depending on your currency and country, you might need either the routing number or the SWIFT code. Additionally, specify the account type, which is typically a checking account for most users. After inputting all these details accurately, don't forget to save your changes. It's crucial to ensure that all the information is entered correctly to avoid any issues with receiving your payments later on. Next, it's time to verify and confirm your Payoneer setup. As a security measure, Etsy might send a small deposit to your Payoneer linked bank account. This deposit serves as a test to confirm that the connection is set up properly. The deposit can be immediate, but at times it may take 2 to 3 business days. Once this deposit is verified, Etsy will officially recognize your Payoneer link bank account as your payment destination. And that's it. Once the verification is complete, you'll have successfully connected your Payoneer account to Etsy, streamlining how you receive payouts from your Etsy shop. This setup gives you a reliable and secure way to manage your earnings. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the simplicity that connecting Payoneer to Etsy brings to your business operation.